everyone, my name is Kate Kraus and I'm going to be talking about a problem of practice for science educators and a digital tool to help with this problem. For middle and high school science educators, teaching students to write an effective lab report can be a challenging undertaking. I consider learning to write an effective lab report to be an ill-structured problem because the experimental methods, type of data analysis, and conclusions drawn are all contingent upon the variables being tested in the experiment. All components of the lab report must be seamlessly integrated to create a report that's wholly effective. It can be very difficult to teach this skill, as we often do not have the ability to provide scaffolding as students go through the writing process. Generally, the lab is completed during class, and students are given a short amount of time to begin writing their lab reports. Most of the time, the bulk of the writing takes place at home. I typically give my students a thorough rubric, shown here, a list of report writing tips, shown here, and a couple examples of student-written reports that demonstrate mastery of the skill, but I cannot ensure that they use these resources during the writing process. The digital tool that I believe can help assist students with this ill-structured problem is a web-based program called CAST Science Writer. Once students have created a free account with CAST, they can click Start a New Project to begin their lab report. The program allows them to designate a title for their lab report like The Effect of Light on Plant Growth, and they can also select the subheadings for the components of their report. Once the program has directed them to a particular section of the report, like the methods section, students are able to click on Max's report or Sam's report to see examples of well-written method sections from sample lab reports. They can also receive helpful hints by clicking Echo's Hint or 1, 2, 3, help me get started. After drafting the text for a particular section, the program allows them to revise and edit their work with the help of checklists that they must complete to ensure they have included all necessary components of that section. At the end of the report writing process, students can review the entire report and print it or send it via email to their teacher. I believe this digital tool will greatly assist students with learning this skill because it requires them to view examples, hints, and complete checklists during the writing process, unlike traditional approaches. I am looking forward to trying out this tool with my biology students.